Hello everyone, I'm Paul and this is problem 3120. Count the number of special characters 1. This is an easy problem and next I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. We are given a string word and we have to return the number of special letters in it. A letter is special if it appears both in lowercase and uppercase. So if we're given this input, we have letter A in lowercase and uppercase, we have the same for letter B and the same for letter C. These are the only three special letters, so the result in this case is 3. The first observation here is that we don't care about the order. A letter is special if it appears both in lowercase and uppercase. So we could have lowercase before uppercase or the opposite, uppercase before lowercase. This means that we can put every character here into a set. By using a set, we avoid duplicate characters and we can do lookups in big O of 1 time complexity, which is very efficient. This means that now we can go through all the lowercase letters. We start from A, then B, then C, and so on, and every time we check if we have the current character in the set plus the uppercase version of the current character. Because if this is true, we can add 1 to the result. Here we have lowercase a and uppercase a, so we add 1 to the result. Next we continue with B. Here we have lowercase b and uppercase b, so we add 1 to the result. Next we continue with C. Here we have lowercase c and uppercase c, so we add 1 to the result and this is 3. So we can repeat the same process for all the 26 lowercase English letters in big O of 1 time complexity, because this is a constant number and the result in this case is 3. By doing this, we solve the problem in overall big O of n time complexity, because we have to go through n characters to build this set, and overall space complexity is big O of 1 because of the space for the set. Remember that here we can have 26 times 2 characters as a maximum, and this is a constant number, so overall space is big O of 1. Now with this in mind, let's go with the code. First, the result is 0. We have a set which we'll call scene. This is empty initially. And now we can go through every character in Word and scene.add the current character. Now we can say for I in range the 26 lowercase English letters, the current character every time is, and we need to build this character. We can do this in Python. We take the current index, this is a number, and we need to add the code, the ASCII code of letter lowercase a. The way to do this in Python is we can use the OR function with a, and that's how we build the character corresponding to the current index. And now with this character we can say if we have the character in scene and we also have the uppercase version, meaning c.upper in scene, this means that we can add 1 to the result. And finally down here we can just return result. So this is the entire code. Let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.